Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
Just showing the progress that has already happened on this. So pedestrian walkway will officially be on the other side. There will be some beautification around this place. See, there is a culvert here. See, they are completely worked. Like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. Kenyatta Avenue Roundabout, look what we have. Hey. I'm presuming that I think this video will have been conjoined, just showing the progress that has already happened on this. Remember, Shifting News, we are always here to update you whatever is going. The other day we had the streets were not the ideal situations of the city. So they say when you're driving and you find you are only yourself on the road, hey, you question. See the changes that have been made here. I tell you, there is a lot that has happened. Now no workers here, no machines, and we are hoping there will be some beautification around this place. See, there is a culvert here which will be draining water. Is it out or in? I'm not sure if that is an inlet. What do you think? As it joins, this is coming from this side of where we have the viaduct coming up. So see, this is the situation around this roundabout. We have the street lights. Wow. Kenyatta Avenue Roundabout. The situation of this roundabout. Also, we have a street light here. Have more others. So this is the state of the walkway just opposite Uhuru Park, and there seems to be a complete overhaul of this drainage. Let's see what's happening along this drain. You can see they're laying other seems they will be doing permanent concrete on this side. What's happening on this side? Boss, mambo? Kwa fiti? Hizi mbona mmetoa? Hizi zenye zimekuwa mbona mmetoa?
Nini kama inaepa kuliko.
Oh, sasa nataka kuwekwa ile permanent kabisa. Eh? Oh.
Lakini nini?
Reinforcement. Oh. Sawa. So the coverings will be back, but they're just trying to reinforce. You can see they have uncovered So for us who always ask in case of any siltation, how can it be solved? But I think the space within is always huge enough. So you can see this is the drainage, and the coverings have been removed, and you have seen behind there they're trying to redo. So it means as we have been told with the guy, they are trying to do more reinforcement to ensure that it remains very stable and there is traffic build up. So there is a lot of ongoing work in terms of capacity enhancement. So there is traffic, no moving vehicles. That is why we are comfortable walking on these curbs, the recently constructed curbs. So we are going to witness a completely redone drainage area this side, and more so with the reinforcements that they are doing. We wait to see what will be happening. You can see vehicles are diverting there, and there is the buses are trying to evade the traffic by making sure they come on this side. And for you know that area is closed. Unfortunately we cannot zoom, but you could have seen now they have to play cat and mouse for you to pass. You need to tell us the reason why you are avoiding the main road and crossing on this side. This is Uhuru Park. On the other side you can see they are trying to palilia. There we have Nyayo House. So this is the current state of this walkway around Uhuru Park. The billboard that was here went down, and right now you can see the clear space, but there are still some other billboards when you move along the road. Right now you can see there are barriers in the median, well painted. This is along this section where we have the upcoming Kenyatta Avenue Viaduct. So there were nets that were placed here sometime a while back. Not sure if they had planted grass is around this area, but you can see now these are some of the derelicts or the remnants or the remaining aspects. I believe on the other side they have planted grass seedlings, most likely for beautification along this area. You can see. Now when you come this side, they also placed that you can see evidence that there were rains that also contributed to some of the elements now have to be reconstructed or redesigned along this stretch. Look at the viaduct. It's coming up. Workers already reporting, ready to. It seems there are some correction works that have to happen. You see, they have drilled the initial concrete. Most likely, they need to rebuild this area. Make sure that this drainage can hold on for good time. And around that area, they have already expanded, and even the staircases, they have removed the staircases. The road is expanded, but now we'll be using the pedestrian walkway. So pedestrian walkway will officially be on the other side where we are going to use this side. So most likely they'll be making these staircases here for smooth. They expanded the road here. Now they have backfilled this area. Hope they'll be expanding the pedestrian walkway such that when you are walking, you have good walking area. So this is the pedestrian walkway. Remember to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. At work, and a lot happening along this stretch. Correction, correction, and more other elements. So very soon we'll be seeing more pillars coming on this other side as it comes to land on Valley Road. Oh, the road this side has also been recarpeted. Also some corrections. You can see tarmac placed around this area. So we'll be seeing more pillars coming up around this area. See where pedestrians are supposed to use. We have cabros. And then here you will find today they are working here. You can see the tarmac. I think they had to do some corrections. And right now they'll have to rebuild this area, make sure it is smoother, to allow vehicles coming from that side to use this section. Because they can't afford to completely close this area to the public vehicles to motorists. So they have to control the flow of the traffic in a way that they are all sustained. So this was collected by the rains. Seems like the rains did this damage. Then there were very heavy rains. Drainage here being redone. You can see workers on site. Water is... You can see they are completely working. Wow. Water is flowing here. Okay. Thank you. And make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video.
Shifting news. Explore, feel,